Okay guys, so in this video we are going to talk about how you can send emails in bulk guys. So if you have a list of email and you want to send email, like you want to cold email to your clients or something, how you can do that. So basically let me go to spreadsheet.google.com. When I go to Google Sheets, then I'll just have to make a sheet right now and I'll make a blank spreadsheet here. So what I will do, I'll just type mail and then name. So yeah, name and mail. So like the name will be test and email will be test@test, and other is test2 and mail will be test2@test2, like this something. So right now like this I have a list right now. So if I want to bulk email these peoples without sending email manually, what I can do is I can just go to extensions and then click on add-ons. Then I can click on get add-ons. Then you have to download an add-on which is named Mail Meteor. So I'll type Mail Meteor here. So yeah, this is the extension guys. Just click on it and then click on install guys. You just have to allow it and now it will be done. Mail Meteor will be installed to your Google spreadsheet, and by using this you can just cold email people. So I will go to extensions right now and then click on add-ons. Then I can click on manage add-ons. As you guys can see, Mail Meteor is installed. How you can use that? Just go to Mail Meteor, then go to new campaign. When we click on new campaign, as you guys can see, this is the main page of Mail Meteor. I'll just skip everything and I'll type my name here, which is Quick App Fixes. Now I will create a template. I'll click on create a new template and now the subject will be cold outreach, like this. Hi, then the name, then this is my message. Thanks. Now if you want the name to be changed every single time, you just have to click on insert variable, then name. So now the name will be automatically inserted and the emails are here. So it will get the emails already. So I'll just click on save template and now I'll just click on preview emails, and as you guys can see, our emails are made. So right now this is the subject and this is the person who will receive the email and this is our message. So to test our message will be this, hi test, and then to test2 our message will be this, and then to joy our message will be this. So as you guys can see, these are all personalized emails with the name changing. You can just add any kind of another variable here and you can just add another piece of text or something and then just click on send emails and it will send guys. If you want to receive a test email, I'll just click on receive a test email, then I will receive the email on my Gmail ID. So as you guys can see, so this is how you can just send emails in bulk for free guys. Thanks for watching this video.